Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp poll. So the first thing you need to do is click on your WhatsApp. Then click on any contact you want to share a WhatsApp poll with. Then click on the paperclip icon, click on polls. Type in your question. I'm just going to type mine in real quick. Then go down or scroll down to type in the options to your question. So I'm just going to type in yellow. It's my first option. YELLO. For the second option, I'm going to type in blue. You can see as I type in my option, it provides space for me to add more options. So I'm just going to type blue here. For my third option, I'm going to type another color, green. So haven't done that, I'm going to click on the finish arrow. Now my poll has been shared with the respondent or my contact. So if I click on any of the options and go to view details, I can see the details of how everybody voted in this poll. So please do not forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.